Oh.
Forget how tall you are.
What's my good side?
I'm gonna fall off this chair. Don't put that
You're
in
gonna be
the
on
commercial.
camera. How do you feel about that?
I'm too short for this.
Is this working?
What do you consider the Ashworth difference?
We're a global company, but still small. Small but mighty.
Small but mighty, that's a good word for it.
It's a little smaller. Communication is more effective.
It's cool that this small little company helps make the world go around.
You're part of the family when you're at Ashworth.
When this place tells you it's family oriented, it really is.
Well, my granddad retired from here.
My grandparents both retired from here, and my dad did as well, so I grew up with Ashworth.
Well, there's a lot of sons and fathers that work here, mothers and daughters.
This was home to me.
Did you say hi to your old boss on the way in?
Mm-hmm. She said I look cute. She's right. Ashworth is an employee-owned and partially family-owned company. We started in the 1800s in the textile machinery business. In the 1940s, when frozen food started to become popular, we went into the food processing industry with metal conveyor belts. Ashworth is worldwide. We are the company that makes the belts the Pop-Tarts are baked on. So if you see the back of your Pop-Tart, there's these little V's, and that's baked on our CB5 baking band and has been since 1963. Today, the conveyor belts go through ovens, freezers, proofers, coolers, marinators. So we're a relatively small company, but we're global. So we're rather mighty. The company is also 40% owned by our employees, and so after meeting eligibility, each employee gets a beneficial ownership in the company. It's a really good team, and everybody has sort of that hands-on family approach and is willing to put whatever in that they need to make Ashworth work and successful.
If you work for Ashworth, Ashworth's gonna work for you.
The people make the atmosphere. Everyone's always included.
There's not a whole lot of companies have associates 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 50 years.
I've been with Ashworth for about 30 years.
31 years.
36 years.
28 years.
47 years.
This is something that feels solid.
I came in at the bottom of the pool, but I've been able to work my way up.
It's impressive how quickly you can move up if you show ambition here.
I started as a temp and worked my way up through the company, and now I'm president and CEO.
We have a lot of different types of careers: production, leadership, customer service, sales. We have Ashworth Factory Services, which offers, mechanical out in the field. It's just all in what you want to make of it.
Everybody's open to trying new things, and they're all supportive, and everyone's happy to answer questions.
They want to see you succeed and help you succeed and to go as far as you want to go.
They pay for tuition to take classes, like leadership classes.
They've given me the ability to fine-tune my skills, become a better leader.
This has been a great learning environment for me, and getting to experience new things, getting to travel for the trade shows and work with our employees overseas and meeting new people. I love that I get to bring my dog to work.
Folks that work here care about what goes on in your life, not just what you're doing while you're here.
I've had personal struggles that I've had to deal with, and they've worked with me with that.
When you're struggling with something, they help out.
There's been multiple things in my personal life that they had no reason to go out of their way and to make sure that I was okay, and they still did. And I'm forever grateful for that.
You're not just a number. You're a person. It's a good place to work.
Anything else, Colin?
I'm good.
Good.
Okay, nice.
Nice.
See, that was pretty painless.
Yeah.
Great job.
Yeah, nice.